Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act from your Apple ID because Capcut purchases on iPhone are managed by Apple, not inside every app. First, unlock your iPhone and make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. This avoids canceling the wrong account. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then tap Subscriptions. You can also open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and choose Subscriptions. Doing this puts you directly at every active plan, so you can find Capcut quickly and proceed. You'll see a list of active plans. Scroll until you find Capcut. Tap that entry to view plan details, price, renewal date, and any trial info. Tap Cancel Subscription. Apple asks for confirmation, so make sure you choose the correct plan if multiple Capcut options appear. Confirm the cancellation. Apple will keep your access until the current billing period ends. Make sure to note the end date shown, so you know when features or watermarks will return if the free tier applies. After confirming, check that the subscription shows as canceled or displays an end date. This is your proof that no future charge will occur. Apple also sends a receipt email. Save it for records. If you want, delete the Capcut app to remove local files, but cancellation is independent of deletion. If you don't see Capcut in subscriptions or the status didn't change, sign out and back into your Apple ID, restart the iPhone, and retry. If issues persist, contact Apple support for account-level help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.